Welcome back to Better Pet Parents, everybody. Today I'm going to be posing a challenge for each and every one of you pet parents out there. And the challenge is to look inside your pet's mouth and ask yourself if you need to make a change. One of the things that I'm always preaching here at Better Pet Parents is to put ourselves in our animals' shoes. Imagine what it's like to be them. That's something that better pet parents do, and only better pet parents do. And one of the things that I want to emphasize in those conversations is the pain and discomfort and disease that often lives inside our pets' mouths. We need to be putting ourselves in our animals' shoes and asking ourselves, if that was inside my mouth, would I need medical attention? Obviously, oral disease is prevalent within animals. It's extremely common. And today I'm going to be talking about looking inside your pet's mouth and asking yourself the question, if that was my mouth, would I want some medical attention? So you're with me inside the grooming van again, and we have our lovely assistant here. Hopefully you can see him. So this is going to be an example of a healthy mouth. I do not recommend that you try to look inside your pet's mouth if your pet has ever shown you any signs of aggression in the past. You do want to be careful when you're getting anywhere near their face if you're at all concerned about that possibility, or if you think, strongly suspect that your pet is in any kind of pain. You might want to be extremely cautious about doing this, or have your veterinarian help you do it. But if you're just curious and you don't have any reason to be concerned about aggression, what you can do is you can just very gently hold on to your pet's face, support your pet's head, and just use your fingers to lift that lip and look inside that mouth there. So you can see with this dog that the gums look healthy. There's no tartar buildup on those teeth because his parents recently got a dental. You can kind of push that back and see that those back teeth are really healthy. He doesn't have pain, he doesn't have trouble eating, and he's comfortable in his mouth. So we could look inside this dog's mouth and be able to ask ourselves, that important question. And with him, we could honestly say, if that was my mouth, I think I'd be comfortable. And if you're looking inside your pet's mouth and you're saying to yourself, if that was my mouth, I don't think at all that I would be comfortable, then I just want to challenge everybody to have a conversation with your veterinarian about it. Because again, it's so important to put ourselves in their position and imagine what it's like to be them. Please take the time to educate yourself with your veterinarian's help about what you can be doing at home to take care of your pet's mouth to the best of your ability. I'm going to show you some pictures now of some more examples of healthy mouths. So these are a couple more examples of mouths that don't have inflammation or any abscess in there or any infection in there. Usually these are dogs that you're not noticing a lot of bad breath with, and they have a healthy mouth. And then I'm going to show you some pictures now of some examples of very unhealthy mouths. So if you look inside your pet's mouth and you're seeing anything like this, obviously, if we're being honest, the answer to the question is that if that was our mouth, we would not be comfortable. Please consider getting your pet some medical attention if you have an extensive case like some of this, because it is painful and it can affect other systems in the body. So get to those veterinarians if you need to get some attention for your pet's mouth. Happy pet parenting, everybody. Thanks for joining us again, and we will see you at the Better Pet Parents page on our YouTube channel and within the new exclusive Better Pet Parents community, where we challenge each other to be better than average pet parents, and we support and encourage each other. So if you don't know about that yet, we welcome you there. Thank you for being with us, and we'll see you next time.